Hey, how you doing there? Today I just purchased the new Hart. It's the Hart 1.5 inch impact wrench. One of the reasons that I got this is because it was always so difficult to try to take the bolts off using my wrench, my hand wrench. So I wanted to get something that wasn't quite as painful for me than it was. And I also bought these 1/2 inch deep impact socket wrenches. These are also made by Hart, and I just want to make sure and just to see if this drill, what they say, is going to be powerful enough to release these bolts off of my off of my Dodge Ram 1500 truck. These are pretty big tires, so I'm hoping that it be powerful enough. I'm also using the 20 volt 4 amp battery. That is the bigger size battery. This doesn't exactly come with a battery, so I basically already have a lot of Hart 2s anyway. So I'm basically using one of my 4 amp batteries that I have for that. And we're gonna try this and see if this good old boy Hart would be able to release, see if this Hart is strong enough to release these nuts from my tires. Let's get up there and say it. You see it does have a real good powerful suction and function on it. So we're gonna try this Hart and see if it's strong enough to do just that. Oh, wow. Wow. Did it with no problem whatsoever. Wow. Just as well as, ooh, it's much more powerful than I thought it was. As you can see, this Hart 1/2 inch impact drill is very powerful. I was able to easily take all of these off. Now, before I had these on here that was very tight. I couldn't get them off with a wrench. But this Hart managed to get it off for me very easily. And I'm really gonna like this wrench because it makes it so easy for me to put my lug nuts back on. And as you can see how quick I'm able to just go in here and put my lug nuts on. You can see that it's a very easy task. And I'm amazed when I bought this. I didn't expect it to work. I didn't expect it to work so well, but it actually is working a lot better than I anticipated. And you can see now. And if you look on the battery, I haven't even used any notches on the battery whatsoever. On this 4 amp battery has an indicator here, and I haven't used that much on it at all. And you can see that this Hart drill is very powerful. I really love the Hart drill. I really love these socket sets. This deep socket set by Hart is also a 1/2 inch socket set. Both of them are proven to be very powerful for what I needed to do. And I would recommend anyone who has a truck to get one of these and keep it in your truck in case you need to change your tires in emergency situations or whenever you need to change your tires. It's definitely a real good powerful drill. It has a, as you can see there, it has a little light on it right there. So that's going to come in very handy if you ever have to change your tires at night. I appreciate you watching this channel. I'm asking you to please go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to be bringing you a lot of tech stuff as well as food products and food recipes. So I'm asking you to continue to just continue to tune into this channel.